Trading Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, June 24th, 2011. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 43 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning basically right where we closed on the 4 o'clock time frame yesterday, and the market was pushing down. We went down to our Globex low, bounced off that, came back to the moving average for a nice signal short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 17 ticks as we did some range expansion and started trading down towards the daily pivot. Bounced off the pivot, bounced off the moving average, just kept moving on down. You can see we stayed underneath this gold moving average basically a good portion of the morning. It wasn't until after 10:30 we came up through the moving average. We actually had a nice signal long, and it was unfortunate for us because this push to the upside went right up, hit where we are aiming for our targets, but it only hit it on one candle, one contract, didn't trade through it, ended up coming back down on itself, gave us a T1 -2 on that particular trade. But when it did move down, you can see this very quick move, and it set up a nice little extension to the downside, so we were able to recoup some of that. Targets 1 and targets 2 were hit on that extension for 6 ticks, and then you can see the price continued to just kind of chop back and forth the rest of the morning session. And when we came back to the moving average right before the lunchtime dead zone, we did get a signal long that did eventually hit targets 1 and targets 2. Didn't hit that until into the dead zone. The red area you see on this chart, that's what we call our lunchtime dead zone, between 11:30 and 1:15. We do not initiate any new trades, we just let them take care of themselves. But coming out of lunch, we did get a signal long that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks, and then we came back down through our moving average, had a signal short, and this is another one of those unfortunate ones. It came down, hit our target again to the tick, but only one candle, so ended up getting stopped out only to see this market push down and hit our target again. But we keep a tight stop after we get our first contract off, and we were stopped out on that little bounce at 2:30. But that was okay, kind of a little back and forth. We had a reset of our signals, had one last signal to get short right at close to quitting time, about 3 minutes before we were ready to quit for the day, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks. So all in all, ended up being just a fantastic day. 7 trades, 43 ES ticks. I want to mention I am going to be vacationing with the family in the mountains. We will be producing videos, we will have our room open. But if there is a delay in getting the videos for some reason, I just want you to know that I will be doing the 4th of July vacation break with my family, and we'll make sure that you get all the scores and all the video updates. But if we have any hiccups, I'm just apologizing in advance. If not, business as usual. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.